Because I know maybe I go sometime party before. You know Bobby?
Yeah, I know
Before
Bobby.
before the time when I come here, Bobby was the one DJ we stay here. Where he was play only Nigerian music. After many music don't come, many people from Africa don't come. Was only Bobby because every person want to party he call only Bobby. After
Okay.
Bobby play only the Nigerian music.
Okay.
Understand? Maybe sometimes reggaeton. So it's the Bobby. Nigerian music after maybe little bit reggaeton or the
Okay.
reggae. Little bit. After maybe the Congo, Yemen from Congo come say I want to party, take Bobby. After people know they satisfied because
Okay.
they come
Yeah,
only
he play music that those people can't dance.
yeah, he play the Niger music.
Yeah.
It's good. They are dancing it. But they want to dance to our
And the Congo music?
yeah, the Congo music, you understand?
Yeah.
Or that maybe sometimes the people from Cameroon come, they want to music from Cameroon. So Makossa, so like Makossa, like a Bentikin also, like
Yeah.
maybe it's also traditional music.
Yeah, because when you are playing music, you have to look people who are dancing. If
Exactly.
you see that they are getting tired, you have to change the music to the music they will understand. Like for example, now Nigeria is inside the party, like Austria citizens are inside the party. When you are playing Nigerian music, you look the white people, they are not dancing, and you have to change the music to Dutch. So that
you can change it maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 minutes.
yeah,
You change. You can play so you go down, go up, can down, go up, can down.
Yeah.
So the balance is good.
yeah,
After you look, you support to look at what about your public.
yeah,
You understand? It's very important. And if you they only with the one we want to is if you they only with Ghana music or with your program,
yeah,
you cannot do it. You know it.
yeah,
You cannot do it because you support to know to have another music too, and to know how you
Yeah.
mash it, you manage it.
yeah,
You know how you manage it, and after you are very good. Because I look how you are the music where you have you are there very very good with them. If you someone want do party only so Ghana music also, as you say you can with a Nigerian music you can do it good.
yeah,
Now I cannot text you if you do some party so where maybe 10 country they all them want to party. Why you can't do that's some problem. Now in Innsbruck,
yeah,
in Innsbruck, before where I come was only Nigeria people here, or the Ghana people, or the Ghana people, or the Gambia people.
okay,
It's fast the same thing with the Gambia people. Now it's more another country because the French country too. The Cameroon, they more because before I come from Cameroon. Before where I come here, we did here for now we there maybe 100 to 120. Like Congo people, they are there here too much now. Like people from Cote d'Ivoire, they are there little bit too. The people from another country they too. You understand?
yeah,
And if you do party, the people where you can take you to the party is only Africanist people. Maybe African people 80% can take you to do party because they are filthy good if you do because you do the African music. You
Yeah.
understand? European people maybe 20% can take you. If you European people take you for 1 hour, 2 hours because the people here, which if you do party, you look the public on, you do so program. You say a DJ Gosh, some DJ from Deutschland play maybe 2 hours.
yeah,
You take another DJ for techno because they have many public on.
Okay.
1 hour, 1.5 hour. He takes some one African DJ from 1 hour too.
okay,
So some people are doing the party. So it's good. It's not problem. You can do your program. If you do a program, you can play too little bit mash because if they call you for some party, so they want test the Africanish music.
yes,
The Africanish music is not only Nigerian music or the
yeah,
Ghana
yeah, I know.
music. You understand? If you come for some party, so maybe,
Yeah.
sometimes the people call me say I want one DJ. I support to look what you do, what you want to do for party. To look which
What?
one DJ I could call it.
Okay.
You understand? Because if you call, they call me, say, somebody call me, say, maybe like in July was some party at PMK. Somebody he do party, he do some concert, you know PMK.
Yeah.
After he tell me say, I want one African DJ where play maybe 1 hour. I know say it's some party where we do play only so to bar. Come to the program was one Dutch DJ, he come from Düsseldorf. One Afghan DJ.
Yes.
This one was played because he played technique, specialist no only techno.
Okay.
He play only techno, maybe sometime house, hip hop.
Okay.
So he plays. I call it. So it's good because he dey play. You know, he play techno music.
Yes.
Maybe he mix with hip hop and maybe sometimes reggaeton.
Okay.
After he comes to hop thing was techno music. You don't understand. See where they go boom boom boom. It's way yeah thing. Also, if they say they want one African music, they I look somebody way I know say he come there, he make one sentence for African music.
Okay.
Play so neither because it's only 1 hour. You support to bring the people where are they one experience from African music. If you want to bring experience from African music for the people, it's not only one rhythms. You know, you're supposed to look maybe Congo music where it pass to your program, maybe 2, 3. Look, so Senegalese music, Baba Mal, they have so good music too. Go high, maybe 2, 3. Look, so Gnawa music, this is from Morocco, so Gnawa music is so like traditional music. You look some you can play more your music where you know. But maybe you mix a little bit, go up, come down, go up, come down. So some parties so it's good so. If they call me say some person say he want married, he call me say he want one DJ. I say I look for your country. Maybe it's from Nigeria, but I know say okay, I can call you because I know say yeah. But the problem now is so just if it's in Nigeria, but I invite another country. Too much. Like here in Innsbruck is so now. Before in Innsbruck was so. If the Nigerian people do your thing, it's only Nigerian people. They come there more Nigerian people. If the Cameroon people do your thing, maybe it's more Nigerian Cameroon people with Congo people with.
Okay.
Now it's little bit so.
Mix up.
Because last week with the party for Nigeria, it was last week.
Yeah, last week.
Was more Cameroon people though was like I was not there because I know how I know how it don't pass. Was Cameroon people there was Congo people there was support your team. Understand? I tell you so always you try to put it in your program too.
Yeah.
You are do good what you are do. And if you are one do training, so training say the performer you can every time come can leave you in this school.
Okay.
You can come, you go in this school you because with D1 you can do it so like in this school you go in, it's past so because you don't need the controller. I can do only the canal so with the mesh pool you can do the controller there. And it's okay.
Okay.
I will try to think about
maybe
think about another music too.
And maybe when I reach out today I have to do practice maybe like another music like entirely like Pasito or this music then mix it up, try to mix it up with Nigerian music.
Exactly.
So maybe when I come next week I can do it again.
Exactly. You can try to do so. You know the important is so if you want to do so mix where you're there for some party.
Yeah.
The people are dancing. You know say it's the Congo people there.
Yeah.
It's not only every Congo music you support to play because you know they play too much Congo music.
Yeah.
You support to look the best one.
Okay.
The best one, you cannot know the best one if you don't know maybe later build the Congo the people where they play. But in Congo is so Fally Ipupa is the best, the top. They play with more with more they play with more people in Africa. Fally Ipupa is if you are play here Fally Ipupa look. Only so this is our music where we produce this year.
Wow.
See this one.
The boys from where?
This one.
Yes.
We produce it here in studio.
Okay. Outside. Yeah.
It's there. Disco. There is disco there.
Okay.
There's the young.
Yeah.
Before. Yeah, it's simple.
Yeah.
You know the Benin, no?
Yeah.
That is the Benin. It was here.
Yeah.
Benedict. That's our disco.
Was ist an der Grenze los? Jetzt labert die bloß von schießen Fehl, als wäre das etwa ein Problem. Weil Menschen fürchten vor Terror und Krieg, Europa schließt die Augen, als ob es nicht geschieht, wenn die Menschen nicht hinsieht. Und nebenbei machen sie mit Krieg massig Profit. Kann es echt nicht verstehen und werde es nie akzeptieren, dass Menschen im Mittelmeer krepieren. Werde weiter demonstrieren und das System sabotieren, denn im Grunde sind wir alle von hier, den Planeten namens Erde, Friedensaktivist, bis ich sterbe, gerne gebe ich hier mein Senf dazu, denn ich finde keine Ruhe, konfrontiere dich und frage, was machst du? Kämpfst du mit uns oder schaust du lieber zu? Das Thema so wichtig, drum steh ich hier in der Booth, drum steh ich hier in der Booth.
That's the way it was here. Genau, it was here now.
Yeah. حاضرم بدم نگوریش عاقلا توش خوابم گنداب رونارم آبرو آتیش آبرو رفت و حرف باز سیاست تو شاکر پول نیازم نور واقعا من دینم رو دادم کنکشو با ما سر نداره صدا دست باز بشه دست آمادن
Looks like a D1 Fally Ipupa. Poupa. Look, Fally Poupa is my Beispiel. Ist
Ja.
nur for example. Fally Poupa is the best from Congo now. Look, if you look every place we see the Fally. Fally don't play more music with the Naija people too. He don't play with Fally Poupa. Don't play with the Akeli too. I think so.
Hier ist der Platz. Hier wachsen die Giganten über sich hinaus. Oder?
Jared, Story, Hervé, Preston, Magwendo.
Play so like a rumba, like another music too. Ah, Kofi. Attends.
Attente.
You know, so I not say good now.
Yeah, I know.
Kelly. Yeah, Fally Poupa play too with Kelly. He play with more music with the Nigerian people too, with the Ghana people too. Kaya, Fally Poupa, Beat Boy, Future, Aya. If you look to Cameroon,
Dans ma vie, je suis un homme, j'en ai rien à faire de ta monnaie. Non, je suis pas un bad boy.
this is like Elijah music. Huh?
Yeah.
On se fâche tous les soirs, ta jalousie me prend en otage. Tu surveilles mes va-et-vient. Faut que l'on arrête tout ça, t'es parano et maniaque.
You know the music?
Tu trompes sur moi, faut que tout soit comme avant. Mais on peut plus se parler. Nalingi, oh, je suis coupé. N'écoute pas les envies. Nalingi, oh, tu le sais. C'est mon seul alibi.
Dans ma vie, je suis un homme, j'en ai rien à faire de ta monnaie. Non, je suis pas un bad boy qui finira par tomber. Dans ma vie, je suis un homme, j'en ai rien à faire de ta monnaie. T'as pas vu mon choix, je vais regretter. Je suis déterminé. Ne t'en fais pas, ma chérie. Ne t'en fais pas, ma chérie.
Cameroon too, you have to more music. You know, you have more things to play.
Ne t'en fais pas, ma
You have
chérie.
to
Ne t'en fais pas, ma chérie. Ne t'en fais pas, ma chérie. Je vais arrêter mes penderies. Tu m'esquives.
It's something you do for party. All Nigerian people do dance.
Yeah, this one is okay.
You know, it's for Cameroon too. It's so more you're supposed to look only everything where it pass.
Tu ne vois pas les filles. On t'invite à un coca et toi, tu viens pour taper les styles. Je vois dans toi, hein. Mon ami,
Okay, we do so.
si tu n'avais pas envie
Okay.
de Coca-Cola, il fa...
You do so. You try to
Yeah, maybe.
incorporate another music in your program.
Yeah, maybe when I reach us now, I will try. Then when I come next week, then I will practice with the guy who just left here.
You can try it. So maybe after, if you do good program after, we can program it too before. Feel like maybe before December we can try to program it
Okay.
one video with your mix.
Okay.
Maybe in disco. We
Okay.
can put it in YouTube too.
Yeah.
Or you support to program it, good music, planning.
Yes.
Maybe so have 1 hour
Okay.
with all effect. And the thing what I want to tell you too, this effect is good,
Yes.
but it's not good too much.
Okay.
You understand? The effect is not good too much. Like your name, you are programming your name too inside.
Yeah.
DJ,
Perez.
exactly. DJ rest is good because you can try so you put it every maybe 15 minutes.
Okay.
So from 10 minutes,
Okay.
say come inside. You program it so.
Okay.
Because everything like effective is too much,
It's not good.
Sometimes
Okay.
effect is good. You do it good because you do effect by transition.
Okay.
By transition you do effect in the past because there you can do little bit effect. On the one with the applause is good too because you put it where some music where you see you can put it every time if you see the every people is gas, do deep gas.
Yeah.
You can put it so like applause. Okay, but try to look say the effect you not put too much.
Yeah.
Like a one boom, it meant to sometimes it's disturb. You
Okay.
understand? Not say you not put. Try only to look say it's not
Too much.
too much. Exactly. You do if you do it so like now I think say you are there super good. You can come every time if you come. You look time. You can try to do training
Okay.
before the time you can do video.
Okay.
You can put it to YouTube. You can try to look so.
Okay.
Allez rester chez toi. Faut pas nous...
You have some question or?
No, maybe when I come next week.
You can, if you want to work, you can work, because you can connect. You can work now because. It's not,
Now I think I have to go because in PIVAC, my bus have to be expired today. So maybe next week I get another bus ticket.
Okay. You are work for some.
Sorry,
You say in what?
the place I stay.
The place where you live.
Yeah.
Okay. You are there in Gasonier or?
Sorry,
You live in Gasonier or
in Hal.
In Vege.
In Hal, and the place I live belong to government because I'm still underage.
Okay. So, you're supposed to look another place now.
Yeah, I'm trying maybe before December I will live there.
Okay. It's important because if you don't have place to live, it's difficult to do something
Yeah.
with easy.
Yeah, because I talked to the man that I want to have my own house. So you asked me to wait till ending of this month. We have to enter.
Yeah, it's important. Okay. So I think say you do good. You have more talent. With Z1 you can look ye small. It's not
Okay.
something say you
Too
want
fast.
Nah, not try. No take it fast. Take it easy. The thing where you're comfortable with them, do with them.
Okay.
Weiter and try to look D1 small.
Okay.
But if you know D1 too, with the D1 for the computer is very good. Because if you know D1, you know, like sometimes if you go for now you want to do some competition, internet competition. They have some competition on internet now. You do some mix.
Yeah.
we do some mix with video, we do shake, do send there,
Okay.
and after they try to tell you if you look, the more people send you there, and after they make so jury, they look if you vote also. They can select you. You come there. And if you come there for the competition, they know use the program, so because they know say the program. If you don't want to use the program, you
They have said no.
they can say yeah, but you can feel it because the people come with the one they are creative. They
Okay.
give you maybe so 30 minutes. They tell you say in 30 minutes you're supposed to play maybe 50 music. Or they tell you in 30 minutes you're supposed to do this. They give you something. With the program you cannot do it.
Yeah.
Because the thing where they tell you so you're supposed to do this is higher level.
It's too much.
There is some champions.
Yes.
They give you, for example, 10 songs,
Yes.
and you have to miss it.
They give you 10 songs.
Okay.
I don't know, Weltmeisterschaft or something. You have to make it. You don't know the music,
Yes.
and you have a laptop.
For example, they give me this STEM music. I have to make it like a building minutes.
Yeah, they give you some minutes. Also, it's depending from the jury. Also, we can see if you. Sometimes we can do it here. Maybe we.
Okay.
Example, you have that in your computer. You don't have that in your
No.
computer. No, you have to hear it before you play.
Before
Yeah.
you play. Okay, now that's something where I know I don't see. You not try to hear before you play.
No.
With D1, say you this to shaft D1 must for him.
Yeah.
Support to.
And you have to know your songs. You have to know where is the bass, where is the melody, where is the so and so and so.
Okay.
Very important. And there is the champion. Also there is higher level. Get that one. You're supposed to work before you come in this level.
Okay.
Understand?
So when
you want to do it now, so you want to do it because you try to do the you want to do the competition.
okay, when are you coming again?
Hmm?
Like next week? When?
Next week.
Wednesday?
Van comes to be there.
Ich weiß aber, wann haben wir offen?
Next week we're not open because we have seminar.
Okay, that will be next 2 weeks.
Next week the whole next week is closed.
Okay, next 2 weeks.
Yeah.
You come
After
here.
next week.
Monday?
After next week is
Yeah.
normal time.
Okay.
It's Monday for 3
3
o'clock to 7 o'clock.
Okay.
Tuesday for 3 o'clock to 9 o'clock.
Okay.
It's
Friday
Friday.
to
3:30 is 9:30.
Okay, no problem. Maybe when I come, I have to make some practice with you. You have to teach me more.
Yeah?
Yeah.
For sure. I'm fucking in.
You can try. You can take your number. You can give your number.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
contact.
can have my number.